Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are finally giving away our entry for the Mike's Mods and Customs Pay It Forward Build Off Invitational. As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Back to the fish tank. So, for today, as you see here, we are finally picking out our contest winner for Mike's Mods and Customs 40s Ford Build-Off Pay It Forward build. And as you see here, we have our YouTube contest options, and we're in our YouTube comment picker as always. I already put their URL into the URL section. We filtered out the duplicates, and we've filtered out comments based on specific text. And if you remember in the video, it was CDC Pay It Forward. So now let's receive those comments. Letting it load here. So there's 15 unique comments. Now we're going to go down here, start raffle, and pick a random winner. And we're going to click start. Miguel Jr. Congratulations, man. So you, sir, have 24 hours. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. You have 48 hours to claim your prize. All you have to do is either contact me on my Cuda's Diecast Customs Instagram page, or you can email me at cudacole@gmail.com. Thank you for everyone for signing up and watching the videos. I really appreciate it, and I know Mike does as well. Also, before I go, I would like to thank my Patreon, Paul, over at Diecast Graveyard. Thank you for supporting the fish tank. And if you guys want to support the fish tank, all you got to do is go to my Patreon page that is in the top right corner of my YouTube channel. Guys, this is Cole over at the fish tank, and I will see you in the next one. Remember, Miguel, you have 48 hours to reply. Thank you.